Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. Now, I'm not gonna stay too long on this. Before I get into it, me have to big up the crew. Country boss, country gal, silent, nuclear rastaman. Big up on yourself. And country boss, hit your notification button. Okay. Forgot the WhatsApp crew, country squad. We can't leave them out. Yo, 306. Big up yourself, you know me I talk. And J.A. man. Jaman. Yeah. Now, look at the screen in front of you. Here we go again. Another police wanted. Now, this came out in the media a couple years ago because a couple other people did something on it. But this guy right here, his name is Mr. Silvera. He is wanted since 2004, believe it or not. This guy, Mr. Peter Silvera, he is wanted in Jamaica since 2004 for slapping two people, dog. And him run to Canada. And he's there hiding. And now it's 2021, going into the ending into 2022, and this guy is still wanted. Now, if anybody knows where this former Jamaican police officer is in Canada or anywhere in the world, please contact the Jamaican police. Okay? Or contact the authorities. I feel like any policeman who violate their oath of office, they need to go to prison instantly. You take a swearing to honor and uphold the law and protect the citizens them of your country. But what you do, you became the law and is doing extrajudicial bullshit. So, yeah, anybody know it? This guy is Peter Silvera. He has family in Brampton, Ontario, Canada, and it said that he is in Canada hiding. He could be in America, he could be anywhere. But me, countryman, any police boy will violate them citizens, me not like them. You hear that? Me not like them. You understand? Wanna ride round with long gun in a Jamaica? Wanna have the soldier ride with you? All you do, practice for the people in Jamaica. And when people stand up for them rights, see what you do? Slap them way and then run way. I want to go live on the life. You're mad, man. And me, Jamaica for hire, for unto the down. Any one of them would have find, anywhere there, me, countryman would have find, So, yeah. I'm about to go. Anybody again, let me repeat this. Anybody see this police boy, Peter Silvera, in Toronto, Canada, or anywhere in Canada or anywhere in the world, please contact your nearest police station. You might get some money for that boy. Yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit your notification button. Also, check out the membership section and check out the WhatsApp group. I know I've been dragging my feet, but I will create a Patreon page where we can upload certain things and y'all could check it out from there. You know what I'm saying? Like certain graphic videos we can't put on YouTube. But if you see Peter Silvera, ex-Jamaican police wanted in connection with 2 deaths since 2004 who fled to Canada, call your nearest police. My name is Countryman and I'm out.